In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get 1099 from Tradestation. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to locate your tax forms without any guesswork. First, open your preferred web browser and head to tradestation.com. On the homepage, look for the Login button. Click it, then sign into the Client Center with your credentials. You might be prompted to verify your identity, which is normal for account security. Make sure you're logging into the Client Center specifically, not the trading platform, because your tax forms live inside the Client Center. Once you're in, focus on the main navigation. Depending on your screen size, you'll see a menu either across the top or along the left side. Click on Accounts. This is the hub where all your account-related documents are organized. Inside Accounts, you'll notice expandable sections for different account types. Open the section that applies to you, such as Equities Accounts. If you have multiple accounts, you may need to expand each one to find the right documents. From there, select Account Statements or Documents. The exact label can vary slightly, but both paths lead to your document library. Now, within that Documents area, look for a section labeled Tax Forms or 1099 Statements. That's where your 1099s are stored. If there's a year selector or filter, choose the appropriate tax year to narrow the list. When you see the 1099 you need, click it to open. It typically loads as a PDF in your browser. If nothing appears, check whether a pop-up blocker is preventing the document from opening in a new tab. A few helpful tips as you navigate. If you manage more than one account, repeat these steps for each account to ensure you don't miss any 1099s. If you don't see a 1099 yet, it may simply not be posted. Brokerages generally release tax forms after year-end, and updates can occur in the weeks that follow, so it's worth checking back if the form isn't available. For the clearest view, a desktop browser is best, though the process also works on mobile with a slightly different layout. Once the PDF opens, you can review the details to confirm it's the right tax year and account. From there, use your browser's Save or Print options to store a copy securely for your records or to share with your tax preparer. That's it. Log in at tradestation.com, go to Accounts, open Account Statements or Documents, and then find your tax forms or 1099 statements. Follow these steps and you'll have your 1099 ready whenever you need it.